Meaning of Earth Mother.
Earth Mother.
Earth Mother.
Earth Mother.
Earth Mother. The term Earth Mother is often used to describe a female deity or spirit that embodies the natural world and fertility. It can also refer to a woman who is seen as nurturing and caring, like a mother to the earth and all its inhabitants. The concept of the Earth Mother has been present in many cultures throughout history, including indigenous religions and modern-day neo-paganism. In general, the Earth Mother represents the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the importance of taking care of our planet.